Hello and welcome to this episode. It's been quite a while, and but I'm back in France. And in this episode, I want to show you what we're up to with the house, but also give you an update of how we are back in Germany, what our plans are with the house, and so on. As you can see, we have I don't know what it's called in English. Here it's called a bétonnier, which makes concrete, that I got yesterday from one of the guys who plays tennis, and we're gonna need it. So how have we been? We came back, and I gotta admit, coming back, sitting on the sofa, I realized under what kind of huge pressure we have been all year while being here at the house. And the first couple of days I just slept and slept and slept, and it really made me realize that the year we spent here was actually super hard and challenging. But also I immediately missed it, so that's how it is. The kids settled in very quickly. We did a small holiday trip to Denmark, and then we're just at our place, and everything is so much easier. You come to realize when you're back home. School is easier, going shopping is easier, for the kids to travel is easier. They know everything, they've got their friends. That life is just so much easier when you're not in a different country with your kids. So everybody's in school. My wife and I are looking for jobs. I've been doing a little bit of stuff online, and went to a couple of places in Germany to do some work. And other than that, I was planning to come back here, which I am now, and the family will join me in the autumn holidays, which is in about a week and a half. I'm gonna be here again, probably November, December. And the basic idea is to work in the house and bring it into a state where we can rent it out. And we've got, I think, 3 things that we want to do. One thing is, there's a lot of things that are like 90% done, but not 100% done. A good example is the bathrooms, where they're working, everything's fine, but the ceiling is still open and you can see all the pipes and so on. So that's the first thing, or one of the things we want to do until next summer. In the trips that I'm gonna do, is to do a lot of these things. I have a long list. The second one is that in the rooms up in the house, we've only got one room with a new floor, and we want to have the other 3 rooms with a new floor as well. So that's project number 2. And the third project is, when we were here in summer, we really got to use the pool and the new kitchen and so on. And in this area, it's just not very nice, and we want to have the terrace here. It's just an important part of the house, and it will make a huge difference to the way you kind of have holidays here, because now you're sitting in the kitchen and it's nice and cool, and you look out and it's also nice, but once you step out of the house, you're in the mud, kind of. And it also makes everything inside really dirty, because you're walking through the mud all the time. So the project is to build a terrace that goes around basically this side of the house. So it will start where the old winter garden is, and then come along here, and then go around the corner and continue a bit there, and then we'll make a path all the way to the pool. And what we've started to do, I have 2 helpers from Germany, which is cool, is to make the foundations for this project. Because in this area, I'm gonna show you a little picture. We're gonna do a structure that we can later put a roof on, and it would be much more complicated to first build the terrace and then later build the structure. So I'm gonna build this structure, and then as part of the structure there's gonna be the terrace, and then later we can put a roof and maybe some solar panels on there. So yeah, we made some holes, or actually the two of them made some holes. And then in this part it's a little bit easier. We're gonna make like concrete slabs where the wood sits on. Yeah. We finished all the concrete work, and today we're gonna try and work on the wooden construction. The wood arrived yesterday, and it's gonna be a lot of difficult handling huge pieces of wood. So a week and a half have passed. Our two workways have left this morning. I brought them to Bayonne to take the bus. It was very nice with them, and they helped a lot. It was really, really cool. And we got almost everything done that I had hoped for in these 1.5 weeks, and much more than I expected. That's pretty cool. A lot of birds here at the moment. Yeah, so we got pretty much all of the construction for the terrace done. It's not quite finished yet. There's a couple of small things I need to do, but hopefully, I'll go out of the sun. Hopefully within the next 2-3 days we can start planking the terrace, and then once that's done we can start using the terrace, which will be very, very exciting. Yeah, I hope you liked this little episode. Not much more to talk about. I'll try to do one more video at the end of this trip, and then we'll see how it carries on from there. Yeah, comment if you have any questions, and let me know what you think. And if you ever plan to come to South France, you want to help or enjoy some time here, let me know. Because we're slowly thinking about how to make use of the house in the next summer. That's it for now. Bye bye.